To get 50% discount in Mixo using a discount code, make sure you watch this video till the very end. If you don't know what Mixo is, then it is an AI tool that allows you to make a website or landing page with just a prompt. To know how to use it, you can check my previous video. Now, let's get started. First, open Mixo from the link in description or comments. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started for free and first create an account. I already made an account in the previous video, so I will click on Log In. You can see that I have successfully logged in and I can see the website that I made earlier. Now click on Upgrade. Here you can see the 3 plans. Basic plan allows only 1 page and some other features. Growth plan allows 5 pages plus extra features. And finally Premium plan, 50 pages plus extra benefits. You can compare the benefits and decide which plan you want to use. The first step to get discount is, you can go for annual payment to get 20% discount. As you can see, all the plans have been adjusted annually. Now select any plan of your choice and you will be redirected to the payment page. On this page, here on the left-hand side you can find the option to add promotion code. Type WB Explainer in all caps and click Apply. You can see that the price has been reduced by 30% from $180 to $126. And earlier we also received the 20% annual discount. This is how you can get almost 50% discount on this amazing AI tool. Now fill in the remaining details and complete your payment. If you want to know about an AI tool that allows you to write SEO optimized content, then check out this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.